Yo, what up YouTube? We're back, another video. If you have not subscribed, man, subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 2,000 subs and I hope we get there. If not, it is what it is. I finally was able to pick up a pair of Jordan 1s for retail on my account. My girl has hit on her account, I think on one pair, and it was on the Shadow 2.0s. Finally, we got a pair for retail on my account. Pretty cool, I'm happy. Of course, I'm always happy, dude. Anytime I hit on the sneakers app, it's a good Saturday. I did drop a video of me buying the shoe, like doing like a live cop type thing. And dude, YouTube has been doing me kind of dirty. It's hard for me to get likes on this channel, and like the likes that I did have, I don't know, for some reason YouTube took them away, and they said that there was like that they were like bot monitoring or something like that. Dude, like I don't have bots on my channel. All my views are from you guys. Usually all my views aren't even from my subscribers. They're from like people that are searching the sneaker on Google, which is kind of sad, but it is what it is, man. The people that do watch my videos, and the people that do hit the like button, dude, it means so much to me. You guys have no idea how much the like button means to me. Like, it's a lot of work doing these videos, so whenever you guys hit the like button, it really does like put a smile on my face, bro, just seeing the like button go up. But anyway, that's not the point. The thing is that I had like 12 likes on that video, right? I had a few, I think over 100 views, and I had like 12 freaking likes, bro, and YouTube took away like 7 of them. And I know it's not that people went back and took their like off. Trust me, man, if I wanted to bot out this channel, bro, I'd have like 20,000 subs already, and I'd be getting hella views. But I don't get any views on this channel. Like, if I do get views on this channel, they slowly build. It's from you guys searching on Google, right, using search engines. But it is what it is. Look, I'm super grateful for the people that I do have, guys. We ain't got no social media on this. Like, I don't have any social media to promote my channel. I hardly even have family that know that I have a YouTube. Thank you guys to the friends that watch this. Thank you guys. You know, but yeah, like you guys hitting the like button means everything. On that video, they took away that, like, all my likes, and they said it was bot activity, so that made me kind of upset, and I just privated the video because they're making money off of my video either way. And yeah, I don't know if that's the way to go about things, but it's just weird, you know. But anyway, man, that's why I took away that video, and that was me actually picking these things up. I don't want to talk too much because I know a lot of people don't come here for my problems. They come here to watch the video, but I like to keep raw emotion on my videos too. Like, I don't want it to be so like cookie cutted, you know what I mean? Like, as my boy Dirty Got So would say, and I haven't seen him in forever. If anybody knows where Dirty's at, let me know, man, because I haven't seen him in forever. But anyway, man, we're gonna open these shoes up. Let's just get into this shoe, and then we're just gonna talk about these shoes here. These, you guys let me know. We're just gonna talk about it. For now, I'm just gonna call them what they are, and it's the Electro Orange Air Jordan 1 highs. I'm gonna call that right now, and at the end of the video, you guys could let me know, do you guys think that these things earned the name Shattered Backboard 4.0s? And I'll let you guys know my decision afterwards. I know my head isn't getting, is it on the camera? Oh shoot, I don't know. Oh well, it's alright, you guys don't need to see the top of my head. So, of course, from Nike, box, OG box, this does read Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White Black Electro Orange size 9, which is my true to size. I usually go true to size on Jordan 1s. Sometimes I go a half size up if I could get it for retail or a better deal. And then I just use a sneaker shield, and it fits the same. The bottom of the lid, there you guys see it right there. I don't see any stamps. Oh yeah, there is a lot number. There's a lot number under there. Let's peel these things open and see what they look like. Okay. Let's take in the smell first, dude. Like, oh my gosh, dude. Oh, that smell gets me every time. Like, it's so good. Like, the smell is so good, and it probably isn't healthy. It's probably not healthy to be smelling your shoes like that, but dude, the smell of a fresh pair of kicks is something else. It's like you've never smelled it before unless you smell a fresh pair of kicks. You know, like, you can't really compare it to anything else. It's just the freshness, bro, the freshness of the smell. I don't see any YDM stickers in here, so you're not gonna get the green sticker, whatever. Whew, here we have them. Here it is. Let me look at these real quick, because this is the first time that I am looking at the shoes, obviously with you guys. You know, I'm opening them up and I'm staring at them, and I'm kind of running my fingers through the quality. Right off the bat, I'm very, very surprised with what I'm seeing right now on this toe cap. Dude, you guys hear that? Watch. You hear how my finger gets caught on the leather, right? I'll explain why I say that here in a second. Oh wow. Now I would say that these remind me more of the metallic pack that released back, the orange and white sneaker. Wow. Let me feel this one here. Okay. Okay. Dude, okay, so the reason why I'm telling you guys to listen while I rub this sneaker, which is weird. We're weirdos, dude. Like, we're super weird, right? It's just a shoe, and we make it more than what it is, but it's just a freaking shoe. All right, but let me just explain why. So that, what you guys are feeling, and let's listen to this one here. Like, check this out. Just check this out. Sounds like a fart, right? But that's super butter. You know what the sound of butter smell, or you know what it feels like on a shoe, like when people say butter? That's what it feels like, bro. Like, if you could hear that, it's like leather to leather, your skin to this, and your skin just gets stuck on it because it's like leather, you know, it's good leather. If it wasn't good leather, your finger would just slide right across the shoe, and on here it gets stuck as well. So that tells me that this is very good quality of leather on this shoe here. And on these 2.0s is, oh, this, to me, I think, I mean, I've never had the 1.0s in hand, but if the quality on the 1.0s is better than it is on these 2.0s, that's insane, dude. Like, to me, like, the 2.0s is like the best quality, almost like even pine greens, not court purples, the purple toes or whatever, even those, I guess they are court purples, pine greens, that leather quality was really close, and it was really, really good. But dude, like, yeah, dude, the quality is there. All right, the quality is there on these shoes. I mean, I'm not saying that the quality makes up for the looks might not be there. You guys might still think it's an ugly shoe. Honestly, 4.0, let me just say this. I don't want to, this video's already freaking 8 minutes, dude. I hate it. All right, so what I'm trying to say is, when Jordan shattered the backboard, if you guys did not know, that's why these are called the shattered backboards. Jordan did shatter the backboard, right? And the team that he was playing against was wearing, I believe, was it all white? And then he was wearing like a black and orange jersey or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but what I'm trying to say is that well, it represents the white on the back. I don't know. Then again, a lot of people are saying that it's like off of the KOs or whatever. I don't know exactly what the background is, bro. I just hear that people are calling these the freaking 4.0 or 4.0s, whatever. It's hard for me to call it, man. It's hard for me to even call it a shattered backboard. Obviously, well, shoot. I don't know, dude. This is kind of weird. I didn't even know this on the insole, dude. This is very weird. This kind of changed it up for me, bro. Okay, well, you guys see the insole right there? It does have a backboard look on it around the Nike Air. You guys see where it looks like a backboard? Dude, I didn't even know that. So it does have like that square or rectangle, whatever you want to call it, and it does look like a backboard. So I didn't even know that. I had no idea, bro, but this is definitely, it looks to me like a backboard. It looks like a backboard. Holy smokes, that changed the whole game. That changed the game, bro. Like, I wasn't gonna call these shattered backboard 4.0s, but that really did change the game for me, bro. Okay, so we got the insole out, guys, and here you guys see the shattered backboard. Freaking amazing detail, attention to detail on the insole. So that's what makes this the shattered backboard, you know, is that insole right there. You guys could see it. So now this insole here actually does have a backboard. At least that's what I think it is. Let me know in the comments. Maybe it's something else. But that, dude, is a backboard. That's crazy. I didn't know that. That right there, if it is a backboard, then they're definitely shattered backboard 4.0s. That's what Nike was going for. It's kind of surprising because usually they'll drop the shattered backboard around Halloween, and they dropped them really early. Dropped them in July, so That's super early. Yeah, I mean, you got your answer from me, guys. Yeah, I think Nike did do the Shattered Backboard 4.0. Yeah, it's almost obvious with this insole here. That's a backboard, bro. Like, I don't know, maybe it's not a backboard. Maybe I'm being dumb and I don't even know what this shoe is all about. I didn't really look into it, but I see a backboard around the Nike Air. So yeah, dude, cool shoe. Go true to size. Quality is amazing. I just wanted to make this video real quick for you guys. Quality is great. Like I said, yeah, dude, it's I hate saying this because it's gonna, it's gonna hype the shoe up, but yes, dude, it's a Shattered Backboard 4.0, man. After seeing the insole, and just seeing like how the jerseys, it was black and one of them was all white, and then they had the hit of orange on Jordan's jersey. I don't know, bro. You guys let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Do you guys think these things are Shattered Backboards? Of course, this shoe here has nothing on the insole. They didn't put nothing on the insole. The weird, glossy, crinkly leather on this shoe is supposed to be the shattered board after it broke. So yeah, these right here, I don't even know if I could count. I'd rather call these the Shattered Backboard 3.0s, because these to me aren't really 3.0s, but they are. They're not, but they are, right? Because there's nothing on the insole, but the shattered glass is all over the upper. So yeah, dude. Yes, I mean, we got another addition to the Shattered Backboard saga, and that's my take on these shoes. You might disagree, and let me know why you disagree, or you might agree now that you see the insole and maybe you didn't know anything about the insole like I didn't know. I wasn't gonna call these Shattered Backboard 4.0s, guys. I wasn't. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about these here shoes right here, Electro oranges. It's your boy Jay. We're out, man. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We've been on here way too long. I don't do this on purpose. I just have a lot to say. Take it easy, never sleazy. Saludos. Jay out. Peace.